मुंबई महानगर पालिका वर्चुअल क्लास की ओर से आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। बच्चों, वैश्विक महामारी के चलते इस वर्ष पठन पाठन का कार्यक्रम प्रभावित हो रहा है। ऐसे में हमारी बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका ने प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी तक ऑनलाइन शिक्षण पहुंचाने की व्यवस्था की है। तो आइए बच्चों, शुरू करते हैं। So students, standard second, and yes, you are seeing mathematics standard 2 textbook. So students, in mathematics today we will practice 12 months in a year. Okay students, so in standard 2 in semi English textbook, student, today we will practice mathematics and topic is 12 months in a year. Yes students, you can see this topic is starting from 33. Yes, in your textbook, mathematics textbook, page number starting from 33. Okay students, so 12 months in a year. Okay students, so myself C.S. Patel from Virtual Training Center MCGM Mumbai. Okay students, so 12 months in a year. So students, see, the year begins with the month of January and ends with December. Okay students, so keep in your mind, the year begins with the month of January and ends with December. Okay, so name the months that have 30 days. Okay students, so keep in your mind, name the months that have 30 days. Okay students, now see students, yes, we are practicing 12 months in a year. See students, see calendar here. So students, name the months that have 30 days. Okay students, so with the help of pointer I want to point you. Yes students, so 30 days. So starting from January, so students, see, yes, in January you are seeing 31 days. Yes, in February you are seeing 28 or 29 days. In March you are seeing 31 days. Yes, in April you are seeing 30 days. Okay students, so if I say about 30 days, so yes, 30 days in April. Okay, so 30 days in April. Okay, now see further. Yes, in April 30 days. In May you are seeing 31. In June you are seeing 30 days. Yes, so in June 30 days. Yes, in July 31 days. In August 31 days. In September again you are seeing 30 days. Yes, in October you are seeing 31 days. In November, yes, again you are seeing 30 days. And in December, yes students, 31 days. So students, you are seeing total 4 months. So yes, 4 months: April, June, September and November. Yes, so these 4 months, yes, you are seeing these 4 months have 30 days. Okay students, so keep in your mind, 30 days has September, yes, April, June and November. Yes students, so you can see here, yes, September, see here, September here, yes, April, yes, April here in the calendar, yes, April here, see, and June here downside, yes, you are seeing June here and November here. So see here, November here. So April, June, September and November. Yes, all the rest have 31. All the rest have 31 days except February alone. Except February. Okay, students? So 4 months have 30 days, 7 months have 31 days, and 1 month means February. February has 28 or 29 days. Okay, students? So keep in your mind. Now, students, see further. 12 months in a year we are practicing. Okay, students, now see months of the English calendar. How many months of 31 days are there in the whole year? Okay, students, now see once again. The question is now, how many months of 31 days? Okay, students, so 31 days, yes, January, yes, March, yes, May, July, see, August, October and December. So yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, students, so 7 months. Yes, 7 months. Okay, so keep in your mind. So 7 months. Yes, January, March, May, July, August, October and December. These 7 months have 31 days. Okay, students, so your answer is 7, means 7 months. Okay, students, so keep in your mind. Now see the next question. How many days does February have? Okay, students, so how many days does February have? See, students, see February. Yes, so February has 28 or 29 days. Okay, so keep in your mind. February has 28 or 29 days. Okay, students, so बच्चों हमने देखा 30 डेज के 4 मंथ्स, 7 मंथ्स हमने देखा 31 डेज के, और 1 मंथ जो है यस 7 4, पहले 4 देखा 30 डेज, फिर 7 देखा 7 4 11, और 1 मंथ हुआ फरवरी यानी 12. तो 12 मंथ्स इन अ ईयर. Yes, students, so February has 28 or 29 days. Okay, so keep in your mind. Now, students, yes, we are practicing 12 months in a year. Now, students, which month comes before June? Okay, students, so what is question? So, students, see, which month comes before June? So comes before June. So see, where is June? Yes, students, see, here is June. June, downside, students, you can see here. Yes, June is here, right? June. So what is your question? Question is, which month comes before June? Yes, so before June की बात करें बच्चों, yes, before June, May. Yes, so here, see here. So before June, see here, May is here, May month is here. So May is your answer, right? So yes, you have to write May. Okay, so try to understand, students. So write May. Which month comes before June? Yes, before June, it's May. Okay, see the next question. Which is the month before January? Okay, students, so before January, see, where is January? See, students, January is the first month. See here. So before January, yes, see here, it's December month, right? So before January, it's a December month. So December is your answer. Okay, so keep in your mind. So keep in your mind, students, before and after. Yes. So in question you are seeing before. Which is the month before January. Okay. So keep in your mind. Now students, see further. 12 months in a year. Months of the Indian calendar. So students, see Indian calendar. The year begins with the month of Chaitra. So year begins with the month of Chaitra. तो बच्चों अगर हम बात करें इंडियन कैलेंडर की, भारतीय कैलेंडर की, तो बच्चों शुरुआत होती है कहाँ से? चैत्र से. चैत्र से शुरू होता है. राइट. तो चैत्र कहाँ है बच्चों? यहाँ पे है. यहाँ से शुरू होता है. ओके. सो द ईयर begins with the month of Chaitra and ends with Falgun. Ends with Falgun. यानी अगर हिंदी कैलेंडर की बात करें तो बच्चों शुरुआत होती है चैत्र से और एंड होता है फाल्गुन से. यस. सो इस तरह से चैत्र, वैशाख, ज्येष्ठ ये क्रम है. ओके. सो कीप इन माइंड. चैत्र, वैशाख, ज्येष्ठ, आषाढ़, श्रावण, भाद्र, आश्विन, कार्तिक, अग्रहण, पौष, माघ एंड फाल्गुन. फाल्गुन इज द लास्ट मंथ of Indian calendar. Okay, so keep in your mind. Okay students, so yes, given here Indian months you are seeing starting from Chaitra and the last Falgun. Yes, you are seeing Indian calendar. Okay, so keep in mind. Okay students, now see further. "12 months in a year." Okay, 12 months in a year. Observe the picture above and fill in the empty boxes. Yes students, now see the seasons. Now see the seasons. Okay, Vasanta. See here students, see the seasons. Vasanta, Grishma. Yes, Vasanta, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemant, Shishir. Okay students, so yes, you are seeing seasons. Yes, so Vasanta means spring, Grishma means summer, Varsha means monsoon, Sharad means autumn, Hemant means pre-winter, and students, Shishir means winter. Okay students, so keep in your mind, observe the picture above and fill in the empty boxes. See students, see Vasanta, yes, Grishma. So Vasanta, see here, Vasanta, Grishma. So yes students, so you have to put further. Yes, what will you do? तो आपको रखना है बच्चों, yes, Varsha. Yes, Varsha. In this box put Varsha. Yes, and in this box you will put Sharad, and in this box you will put Hemant. Okay students, and at last students, in the last box you will put Shishir. Yes, Shishir here in this last box. Okay, see the pointer, see once again Shishir. Yes, Shishir you will put here in this box, Shishir. Okay, so 4 boxes are empty. So yes, in first Varsha, तो पहले बॉक्स में बच्चों क्या लिखेंगे आप? वर्षा. यस, इन नेक्स्ट शरद, एंड फर्दर हेमंत, एंड एट लास्ट शिशिर. ओके ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स वी विल प्रैक्टिस फर्दर. 12 months in a year we are practicing. Now students, what are the names of the months on the coaches under the bridge? Okay students, so keep in your mind Yes, coaches under the bridge. So starting from Chaitra, see the engine here? Yes, engine here. Chaitra Baisakh. Chaitra Baisakh. Yes, students, given here. Chaitra Baisakh. And yes, months on the coaches under the bridge. So under the bridge. See students, under the bridge. Yes. Under the bridge. See here, Chaitra Baisakh. And next will be Jeshta. Next will be Jeshta. So Jeshta and Ashad and Shravan. Jeshta, Ashad and Shravan. And next will be Bhadra. And Bhadra you are seeing here. It's not under the bridge. So 3 months. Yes. Jeshta, Ashad and Shravan. These 3 months are under the bridge. Okay. So students you have to write. तो बच्चों आपको लिखना है जो अंडर द ब्रिज है, ब्रिज के नीचे हैं, जो मंथ दिखाई नहीं दे रहे हैं, अंडर द ब्रिज है, वो कौन कौन से हैं? यस स्टूडेंट्स, ज्येष्ठ, आषाढ़ एंड श्रावण. Because students Bhadra is, yes you are seeing, Bhadra is not under the bridge, and Baisakh students you are seeing given. So 3 months. You have to write 3 months. Okay. Now students see the next question. Yes, we are practicing 12 months in a year. Yes, a school calendar. Now students see here. Yes, month December. Yes, you are seeing a school calendar, December months. Yes, Rama. Yes. Do you know which events will take place in our school in December? Yes told. Yes, of course. It is given in our school calendar. तो बच्चों ये स्कूल कैलेंडर है. रमा ने क्वेश्चन किया. Then yes told. Yes. Rama told. Okay. Now tell me on which day is the drawing competition. So yes. So students now try to answer. So yes told. What? See students yes told. Yes, 20 December. Now students Rama asked, yes, which day is drawing competition? So students see month December month calendar here, school calendar. So drawing competition. Yes, see here, drawing competition. See here, 20 December drawing competition. So yes told 20 December. Okay students. Now see the next question. Rama and the sport competition. So yes told. Yes, sport competition. Yes told 13 December. See students see in the yes month school calendar. See 13 here. Yes, 13 December sport competition. Okay students. So yes answer is 13 December. Oh, so it's your turn now. So yes is now asking the question. Which festival do we celebrate on 25th December? So Rama said easily. Yes, it's easy. Now see Rama's answer. Yes, so Rama told Christmas. Yes, so 25th December. See in the calendar, school calendar. Yes, see here. Yes, see here. Yes, 25th December, it's Christmas. So Rama replied easily. Yes, it's a Christmas on 25th December. Yes, okay then. I will leave now. I have to go. I have to get ready for the picnic tomorrow. So yes told, I have to get ready for the picnic tomorrow. Now students, he is saying about tomorrow. So keep in your mind. Okay students. So yes, he is saying, means yes is saying that yes I have to get ready for the picnic tomorrow. यानी बच्चों उसको पिकनिक जाना है tomorrow. He is saying tomorrow. And see students keep in your mind picnic. So picnic given 7th December. So see the question there. Okay, yes students, see the question. So yes, can you give the date of on which Rama and Yes had this conversation? Okay, so keep in your mind students. तो बच्चों अभी हमने देखा yes in our mother tongue if I say, अभी हमने just देखा yes कि they were yes conversing, अभी वो बात कर रहे थे. Yes, so can you give the date on which Rama and Yes had this conversation? Yes, we can say easily because yes 7 is here and yes told yes he was saying about tomorrow's picnic. So yes students, this is your answer. Means Rama and Yes were yes conversing on 6 December. यानी 6 दिसंबर को रमा और यस बात कर रहे थे. क्योंकि बच्चों यस ने कहा कल की पिकनिक के लिए हमको तैयारी करनी है. यानी 6 December is your answer. Okay, so keep in your mind. Okay, now students, yes you have to do activity. Take any calendar and tell what is special about the dates of any month that fall on the Tuesday. Okay students, so if I say about Tuesday, okay students, so see 3 Tuesday, next Tuesday 10, 3 7 10, next Tuesday 17, so 3 7 10, 10 7 17, next Tuesday 17 7 yes 24 and 24 7 31. Okay students, so yes it's special about the dates of yes any. So students, yes you have to practice just like so of any dates. Yes, okay students. Now students, 12 months in a year we are practicing. So keep in your mind the date on a Wednesday of a month is 4. So what is the date on the following Wednesday? Okay, so keep in your mind students, yes see here yes, so Wednesday 4, so yes, so next Wednesday 11, yes after 7 days 4 plus 7, yes after 7 days yes next Wednesday. So students, you have to practice just like so. Okay students, so work hard. Okay बच्चों, बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका के इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर लीजिए. तो बच्चों हम उम्मीद करते हैं यहाँ तक आपने समझ लिया है. आगे फिर मिलेंगे. आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू वेरी मच.